everyone. Yesterday I executed a few more agreements, drafted some new outreach emails, and we had our team meeting. Today, in addition to, of course, ongoing email management, I will be conducting a little bit of analysis about participation in our Telegram group. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome to my DailyDAV. Yesterday I was doing a bit of research about different companies that were working on decentralizing ride-hailing and looking into what their process was, and particularly also interested in companies that didn't achieve their goal to try and identify some criteria around that, and also then analyze that against companies that have achieved their goal. And that'll help inform our roadmap for what we're looking to do later this year with our POC in the same space. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Hi everybody. Yesterday I worked on the separation of drone provider specific logic with and emission control. Also on Sunday I did work on the same project. So half of the flow already works. Today I will continue working on this, and I believe it will be done tomorrow. And that's it for today, guys. Bye.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I've been mainly working on the new DAV in a nutshell video. I got some feedback from the team, so I've been implementing this feedback. And later I sat with Noam on his correction, on his input, and then I'm gonna do this correction to really finalize this video and upload a ready to publish link. So hopefully we'll get it out there tomorrow. So stay tuned. That's it for today. See you next time.
Hey everyone. So today, my top three. I had a great call today with a DAV Alliance candidate that was FlyMotion based in California. They're a autonomous drone servicing company. They provide turnkey solutions, so it's quite promising. See what we can do there. Also spent quite a bit of time going through a lot of detail work and paperwork reorganizing things for the DAV Alliance, and also spent a bit of time working on the media kit, which is long overdue. I'm hoping to have that completed this week. There's a lot more for me to do and a lot of thinking to do around the KYC, which is upcoming. So I'm going to sign off for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, yesterday I reviewed our KYC process as part of the preparation for the upcoming token sale, and I also worked on a new missions app, this time for flight instructions for drones under the name Route Plan. And as part of this one, I also started working on the new communication protocol for it, for Route Plan. And today I also worked on several new website features. One of them is a new referral program that we will soon be launching on our website. And I guess this is it, guys. Thanks.
Hey everybody, Joe Lepardo here. Yesterday we had a great AMA with our community. Thanks to everybody for showing up. And also did a bunch of work on the KYC. Today also did a lot of work on KYC. We're very, very close, hoping to launch tomorrow. And then also did a ton of work regarding a new affiliate and referral program that we're going to be launching over the next few days as well. So as always, good times, busy times, getting ready for the token sale. Thanks everybody. Talk soon.
Hey, Daver, it's Alec here. Yesterday me and John had an excellent call with AirMap, a very interesting company based in the United States dealing with the UTM, the Universal Traffic Management, offering solutions to drones. Today I'm back to the DAV Alliance, sending new outreaches to potential DAV Alliance members, optimizing our current creative, and that's it. Just talking to John later today, thinking, and that's it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey there, Davers. So yesterday we had a great meeting with a ride-hailing company. We did an AMA with the community, which was a lot of fun, and I interviewed a new developer for the R&D team. Today I started my day by troubleshooting our integration between the KYC and MailChimp. So now you'll be able to get emails once you finish the KYC, letting you know if it ended successfully or you need to do it again. And I'm gonna be spending the rest of the day with these guys and working on our smart contracts. See you tomorrow.
Hey Daily Davers. So yesterday I managed to finish the backend for the KYC whitelisting check. Alex is working on integrating into the website. Hopefully this is going to be finished today. Also, I've started to work on the KYC registration tracking we are going to track all the registrations on the website where you click the join button and enter your email. So just before we're going to initiate the KYC process, we're going to store information about that in a database I'm creating right now. And this is going to later be used to know who our buyers are. So that's probably going to end also today. And also I have 2 interviews, so wish them luck. That's it for today. Bye, guys.